Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Nissan Juke here on a 2014 plate. Just replacing the registration lamp on this. The bulb you need is a 501 bulb. You can find them in the description as well, the link for it if you did want one. It's a capless bulb, and the bulb we're doing is just right there. Both of them aren't working, and they are very, very easy to replace. You can either use your fingers, or if you've got a flat screwdriver, to pull these out. So all you do is to push it that way, and then pull it towards yourself, and then bring the whole thing out. See right there? So I'm just going to put the flasher on again. So from this end, push, and then pull out. That's all it is. Now, all you then do is twist that to your left, like this. I'm on my own, so it's a bit difficult for me, but that's all you do. Twist it to your left, pull the whole thing out. And just remember how you put it on as well. This bit here, so it kind of goes on that side there. You can see the little lug. See right there? So that's how it is. So it's a 501 bulb. I'm going to just get a spare hand. Or maybe not. I'm just going to take my gloves off. 1 second. Pause. Right, that now got a new set of gloves on. So what we're going to do now is take this bulb out. So pull it from the bulb, and then you're pushing it on the holder. So that's what it is. So it's a capless bulb 501, which can be found in the link. Now, for any reason you found this video useful and you've saved a lot of money, please do share it, like it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. Okay, so that's it. I've lined it up. Now I'm gonna, oh my days, on my own it's a bit difficult. Right, okay, right, that's in now. So the bulb's in. So what I'm going to do before I do anything, I'm just going to go and switch the lights on. And as you can see, that there is working. This one still isn't working, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace that. It's exactly the same procedure, so I'm not going to show you that side. I'll only show you this side. Put it back together. So even there, you've got the two little lug holes right there, and on the bulb as well. I'm just going to switch the light off 1 sec. Right, now that the light's off, so you can see it. So these bits here, right across each other. Zoom in. Here we go. Alright. So slot it in. And then twist that to my right. That's it. That's it now. Always remember the seal as well around the bulb holder. There's a rubber seal. Just make sure that's intact. So I now do is I slot it in from this end. Oh no, sorry. I slot it in from this end first, push it in, and that's it. It's all clicked. So that's not coming out. Just to make sure it's working, we're just going to double check it. And as you can see, that there is working. We've still got to do this side, but it's exactly the same procedure. Right, that's all it was on this Nissan Juke 2014 plate. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. There is a playlist for Nissan as well. Do check that out. There's a playlist for bulbs as well. Do check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.